There in the gate. And they're off. Happy Saver breaks well from that inside post position. Tacitus is on the outside in between horses. His name Changer, then Prioritize and Mystic Guide. And they're quickly on that clubhouse turn, and Tacitus goes on with it here. Tacitus has taken over the lead from Happy Saver. Mystic Guide up on the outside into third, then Name Changer and Prioritize. And now they begin the long run up the Belmont backstretch. Tacitus has the lead after a quarter in 24 and 4/5 seconds. Then it's the 3-year-olds. Happy Saver at the rail, Mystic Guide on the outside. At the back, Prioritize and Name Changer. The odds-on favorite, Tacitus, is clear now by a length and a half. Mystic Guide in the white blinkers on the outside. Happy Saver is down at the rail. Then it is Prioritize and Name Changer. Tacitus ran the opening half in 49 and 3/5 seconds. Leads here by a length. Mystic Guide is second by a neck. Happy Saver's down at the rail. Then Name Changer and Prioritize. They're moving for the half-mile pole. Tacitus leads here by 3/4 of a length. Mystic Guide is in second. Happy Saver at the rail. Prioritize in between. Name Changer on the outside. 3/4 went in 1:13 and 3. It is Tacitus and Jose Ortiz in front here by a half length. 3/4 of a length now. Mystic Guide runs in second. Happy Saver is in third as they come for the quarter pole, and Tacitus will turn for home with the lead. Mystic Guide on the outside, Happy Saver down at the rail, so it's 3 of them across the track, and here is Mystic Guide on the outside to poke ahead in front. Happy Saver's now coming on. It's going to be between the 2 3-year-olds. Happy Saver at the rail, Mystic Guide on the outside. Happy Saver is in front, and Happy Saver stays undefeated. He steps up and he wins the Grade 1 Jockey Club Gold Cup.